In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Byte by Night Discord server. So if you want to become part of the community and chat with other members, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to join. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. You can also use Discord directly from your web browser. Once Discord has loaded, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Add a Server icon, which appears as a plus sign. After that, scroll down and select Join a Server. You'll now see a box where you can enter an invite link. In the invite field, type Byte by Night as a single word and then click Join Server. If the invite is valid, Discord will take you directly to the Byte by Night community server where you'll be able to access the available channels and participate in discussions. Keep in mind that if the invite doesn't work, the server owner may have changed the invite link or the invite may have expired. And that's how you can join the Byte by Night Discord server. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and guides.